Hi guys, in front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and let me show you how to set up new wallpaper. So at first, open the settings, then find and select wallpaper. And now you can select a wallpaper either from your own gallery or one from prepared wallpaper. It can be one from default wallpapers or online wallpapers. Let me choose, for example, this one. And if you wish to apply it as your lock screen, tap on apply and then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. I will go for both. And that's it. As you can see, this picture from now on is assigned to both your home screen and also lock screen. This is it. So that's how you can easily and quickly change your home screen and lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.